Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into Google Skillshop with your Google account. This links certifications and progress to your profile. Once signed in, choose an area, ads, analytics, or marketing platform, and enroll in a learning path. Make sure to enable two-step verification so you don't lose access during exams or when changing devices. Immediately set your display preferences and language, then open the first module. This gets you into hands-on lessons right away and avoids setup delays. Now, work through modules sequentially so foundational concepts build correctly. Skillshop is structured to layer knowledge. As you go, take practice quizzes and open linked documentation for real product examples. This cements how features behave in production. Once you complete lessons, use the progress tracker and notes to revisit tricky areas. Make sure to schedule concentrated study blocks of 30 to 60 minutes and test yourself without notes. This prepares you for timing and retention during the certification exam. Finish by attempting the certification exam once your practice scores are reliable and you feel confident. Manage your time and answer every question before submitting. After passing, immediately download your certificate and update LinkedIn or internal HR systems so credentials are recorded. If something goes wrong, say the exam won't submit. First, clear your browser cache and retry, then switch browsers or devices if necessary. If issues persist, contact Skillshop support with screenshots and timestamps so they can restore progress quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.